Hi everyone, my name is Kadra Adderley. I am the HMIS coordinator for the City of Boston. I will be presenting on the 2018 Homeless Census Shelter Point-in-Time Count submission process. Before you submit your report, please check for data quality. Use the Data Validations Report in ETO to identify data entry errors. Fix any issues found in this report, then rerun your report to make sure all issues are resolved. Please note that in order to successfully run reports, the program descriptor touchpoint and the bed and unit inventory touchpoints must be completed. Also, users must have access to the reporting site. If you do not have access to this system, please contact your HMIS administrator. To run a data validation report in ETO, open the navigation bar, go to Reports, then click Manage HMIS Data Validations. To run a new validations report, click Run Validations at the top of the page. Fill out the report parameters and click Submit. The report status will show underneath the description. When the report is complete, use the Take Actions link in the right column. The open option shows all errors within the parameters. Click the plus symbol next to each category to view a list of errors. The report option opens the validation report in a new window in a WebL format. The delete option removes the validation report from the Manage HMIS Data Validations page. And the data pool option runs an HMIS data pool on the same parameters entered for the validation report and will redirect users to the Manage HMIS data pools page. The next section of this presentation will cover the preparation for reports and submitting the reports to Boston HMIS. To prepare for your reports, run an HMIS data pool from ETO. Once this is complete, send the data pool to the reporting site. Then go to the reporting site to run your reports. While in the reporting site, run the Housing Inventory Chart report and the Point-in-Time report, then download the PDF versions of these reports. To submit your reports to Boston HMIS, upload your reports to the 2018 Homeless Census submission form. If your organization has multiple programs, please repeat steps. The first step in running your reports is running the HMIS data pool. To do so, open the navigation bar in ETO, click Reports, then select Manage HMIS Data Pools. Click on Create Data Pool at the top of the page, then enter the report parameters and click Submit. After entering the report's parameters, users will be directed back to the Manage HMIS Data Pools page. A check mark will appear once the report is complete. When the report is complete, click Reporting in the Take Action column to send the report to the reporting site. A small notification box will appear once the report has been sent. Click on Go to Reporting Site to continue on with this process. To begin running reports in the reporting site, click Reports on the navigation bar, then click New left of the navigation bar. Select the report under the Point-in-Time reports. For Housing Inventory Chart, click Housing Inventory Chart. For Point-in-Time report, click Point-in-Time report. Please enter the following information to complete your report. The report date, which is January 31st, the data source, which is either Boston HMIS or MA HMIS, the import ID or export ID, which is found on your ETO HMIS data pool, the organization name, which is the name of your organization, and then the project, the name of the project that you're running the report for. Once this is complete, download the PDF version to your computer. The following information is required to run the point-in-time report. The report date, which is January 31st, the date of the census. The data source, which is Boston HMIS or MA HMIS. the import or export ID, which is found on the HMIS data pool in ETO, your organization name, and then the name of the project. Once this is complete, download the PDF version and submit to Boston HMIS. This is a snapshot of what your housing inventory chart report will look like, and that includes year-round beds, seasonal beds, overflow beds, and your pit count. This slide just shows the first page of what your point-in-time report will look like. There are 4 sections in this report. That's the overall homeless population, the youth populations, the veterans populations, and additional homeless populations. The final step in this process will be to complete the 2018 Homeless Census form and upload reports. The link will be sent to you via email the day of the census, which is January 31st. This concludes the 2018 Homeless Census Shelter Point-in-Time Count training. For additional information or questions, please contact Boston HMIS.